ballot with Casey and won.
Wow, that's impressive.
Instincts kicked in. All right, we have Sam Haslam with us here from Arches Health Plan, and today we're talking about how to get through the upcoming healthcare changes. Sam, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
First of all, we've been seeing a lot of the billboards, the commercials. What is Arches?
So Arches, we're a new health insurance option for Utahns. So we're a co-op. So what that means is our members have a voice in the company. If you're familiar with the credit union model, that's kind of what we are of health insurance.
That's a good way to put it. Okay, so there are a lot of changes that are happening. Open enrollment, we know, is right around the corner as well. So how does this work? What are the best things about the program?
Okay, so starting in October 1st is when open enrollment starts. You'll have 6 months to sign up for health insurance, so through March 31st. And during that time, you'll be able to select whatever plan you and your family need. There'll be subsidies available for most of Utahns, because most of Utah will qualify for this subsidy to help pay for your monthly premium costs.
Which is a huge deal. I mean, my sister's husband is self-employed, and I just think, wow, this, for someone like their family, this could just, number one, save them a lot of money, and they could still get great care.
Absolutely, and there are a lot of great benefits. The 10 essential health benefits is what they call it, that will be a part of every plan. So that will include maternity coverage, which could make having a baby a lot more affordable for people. As we see on the screen here, there'll be mental health visits that are also included, as well as pediatric vision and dental.
Okay, so the dental is huge, prescription drugs huge, maternity and newborn care. I mean, that can just wipe out the budget right off the bat, and a lot of programs don't cover that.
Right, and so now they're mandated to cover that, and there are a lot of plans that will make it very affordable.
Okay, so what specific benefits are people going to get when they join?
One of the great benefits that Arches will have is what we call the zero deductible for accidents. So historically, if you have an accident, let's say you break your leg skiing, you may have to pay a lot of out-of-pocket costs because you may not reach your deductible, right?
Right.
So if you have an accident under an Arches plan, in most of our Arches plans, that will be waived, so you'll be able to go get your care you need for relatively, affordable prices.
All right. So where do people go to get signed up or to get information?
So they can go to our website at archeshealth.org. There they can find information about the Affordable Care Act, what it means for their family. See if they qualify for a subsidy on our savings calculator, or just any basic info about Arches and the co-op model.
Okay, that is great information. And this is one of those where ignorance is not bliss.
No.
What we don't know about our plans could end up costing us a lot of money down the road.
Absolutely. Since it will be law to have a health insurance, there will be taxes to those. You will be taxed if you don't buy health insurance.
Yeah,
so it's
penalized.
important to get informed and find the plan that's right for you and your family.
Get the best deal possible. Sam, thank you so much.
Thank you, Debbie.
All right, we'll be right back.